Hi everyone, so in this class I'm just going to discuss with you that how the Bootstrap works. So definitely it works based on classes. For example, the Jumbotron is a class, so we are getting the result of the Jumbotron by pasting the class of the Jumbotron here. And I'm just going to show you some examples of the table, of the Bootstrap actually. So there I'm just putting something inside the table. Here you can see that this is the first one's tr, and I'm just duplicating this, and there I'm just creating some kind of th, okay, and there inside the first one's th I'm just typing s.no means serial number, and then for example we can type anything whatever we prefer. I'm just typing a student name. Duplicate that. I'm just typing the total fees, whatever we can type, whatever we prefer, and then there is the paid fees, and this is the balance fees actually. Okay, as you can see that this is a simple table. I'm just creating nothing really really new and really big, whatever, just a simple table. So there I'm just putting the data according to the according to the THs. So there the first one I'm just putting 1 and duplicating and typing, for example, John Mark. I can type anything whatever I prefer. Then the total fees, in the total fees what I'm just putting is the, for example, 500 whatever. Okay, consider the 500 in your value, whatever your currency is. So there the paid fees I'm just typing 300. So the left is 200. Now save. Actually I'm just gonna duplicate this one. Okay, there. Now one thing more, this should be 2 and everything should be fine. I'm not gonna actually teach you to put the data or change the data, because definitely we are just about to learning the styles, not the data or whatever. The thing is that actually the preferred way to create the tables in Bootstrap with the t-head tag and the t-body tag, that t-head ending tag, and there inside the t-head tag what I'm just gonna put is this one's tr. There, paste this and adjust this. Now from the next tr the body is starting, so there I just put the body tag t-body area. If you don't know about the t-head and t-body tag, because mostly we don't need the t-body and t-head tags, so in the t-head tags we just put the rows which actually belongs to the head of the table, and the t-body we just put the data or the rows which belongs to the data, which have the data. So cut that and paste that there, and just add a simple tabbing. Now you can see that there is only one body, but there are 2 rows. We can create multiple rows as much as we need. So I'm just going to the browser and refreshing that. Now you can see that the student name, total fees and whatever in the correct order, but the thing is that it has no styles. I'm just going back to the notepad, and actually there in the table area I'm just adding a class. So now by adding the class we are adding the Bootstrap. This is what I just want to teach you in this class. So there I'm just adding the class of table. Okay, the table class is a part of the Bootstrap which definitely has a lot of features. Go to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see that the table is corrected and actually has a specific style, and this is not only has some style, this is fully dynamic. You can see that it's just inside the data. Now everything is fine, you can see that. And for the t-head area you can see that there is a line, the border is actually bold. So in this way we are just clearing that the table class is working. But if you just want to add some features, some effects with this table, let's just add in space and type the another class with the which has some styles. For example, I just want the strip table. Okay, this table should be stripped. So refresh that. Now you can see that nothing happening actually. Wait for a while. Table strip. Save and refresh. Now you can see that this line has an effect. Okay, for what the stripped can do, I'm just copying this, pasting and pasting. Now refresh. Now you can see that there are the strip lines, this line, and that the third one line has the again the strip effect. So this is called the table stripped. If I remove this table stripped class, then you can see that save and then refresh. Now there is no strip effect. So I hope you understood how the Bootstrap works. Definitely by adding the different classes, and every class has different styles. So guys, in the next class we'll learn some more things about the Bootstrap. Stay tuned and goodbye.